Hi everyone, this is Mukesh Singh from Udyan Modern School Darbhanga, and in this video I am going to continue the story The Enemy written by Pearl S. Bug. So now let's continue. Now he felt her hand on his arm and was aware of the pleasure it gave him, even though they had been married years enough to have the two children. For they had not married heedlessly in America. They had finished their work at school and had come home to Japan, and when his father had seen her, the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way. Although Sadao and Hana had talked everything over beforehand, they were perfectly happy. She laid her cheek against his arm. The narrator says that Sadao felt the pleasure of the arm of Hana on his arm, even though they had been married years enough, so many years enough, and they had two children, but still they felt pleasure in each other, and Sadao felt the pleasure of the hand of Hana on his hand. For they had not married heedlessly in America, because they had not married carelessly in America. It wasn't that they married heedlessly, that is, all of a sudden they fell in love and they get married soon. It wasn't like that. They had finished their work at school. It means they completed their education and had come home to Japan. They returned back to Japan, and when his father had seen her, it means when the father of Sadao saw Hana, then the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way, that is, according to the Japanese custom and tradition. Although Sadao and Hana had talked everything over beforehand, although Sadao and Hana had already talked about their marriage or discussed about their marriage, they were perfectly happy. And Hana laid her cheek against his arm. It means Hana put her cheek against the hand of Sadao. Now he felt her hand on his arm and was aware of the pleasure it gave him. इस समय उसने हना का हाथ अपने हाथ पर महसूस किया. उसने आनंद महसूस किया. यद्यपि उनके विवाह को इतने वर्ष बीत चुके थे कि उनके 2 बच्चे हो गए थे. उन्होंने अमेरिका में ही विवाह नहीं कर लिया था, यानी बहुत केयरलेसली उन्होंने अमेरिका में ही शादी नहीं की थी. उन्होंने स्कूल में अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी की, और पढ़ाई पूरी करने के बाद वे लोग वापस जापान लौट आए. और जब सदाव के पिता ने हना को देखा, तब शादी जो है पुराने जापानीज़ रीति रिवाज परंपरा के अनुसार आयोजित किया गया, जो कि सदाव और हना पहले ही इसके बारे में बात कर चुके थे. वे लोग एकदम पूरी तरह से खुश थे. हना अपना चीक जो है हना जो है अपना गाल सदाव के बाह पे रखी. It was at this moment that both of them saw something black come out of the mists. It was a man. He was flung up out of the ocean. Flung. It seemed to his feet by a breaker. He staggered a few steps, his body outlined against the mist, his arms above his head. Then the curled mist hid him again. Who is that? Hana cried. She dropped Sadav's arm, and they both leaned over the railing of the veranda. Now they saw him again. The man was on his hands and knees, growling. Then they saw him fall on his face and lie there. A fisherman, perhaps, Sadav said, washed from his boat. He ran quickly down the steps, and behind him Hana came. At that very moment, when Hana laid her cheek against the arm of Sadav, both of them saw something black, some black figure coming out of the mists. Okay, and it was a man. They realized that it was a man that came out of the mist. That man that came out of the mist was flung up out of the ocean. Flung up out means thrown out of the ocean, means being washed away by the waves of the sea. It seemed to his feet by a breaker, and it seemed that his feet hit a breaker and he was thrown out of the sea. He staggered. Stagger means to walk unsteadily. He staggered a few steps. So he walked a few steps, some steps unsteadily, his body outlined against the mist, his arms above his head, and his arms were above his head. Then the curl mist hid him again. It means he was again curled or covered by the mists. It means again he became invisible. Who is that? Hannah cried. Hannah asked loudly. She dropped Sadav's arm, and they both leaned over the railing. They both bent over the railing of the veranda. Now they saw him again. Again, they saw that figure of a man that came out of the mist. The man was on his hands and knees crawling. It means the man was crawling on his hands and knees. Then they saw him fall on his face and lie there. And then Hannah and Sadav saw that man fell on his face and was lying there. Sadav said that perhaps he was a fisherman who had been washed from his boat, that is, who had been thrown out of his boat. He ran quickly down the steps, and behind him Hannah also came. उसी पल, जिस पल हना जो अपने गाल को सदाव के हाथ पे रखी, ठीक उसी समय क्या हुआ कि दोनों ने देखा कि कुछ काली आकृति का चीज़, कुछ काला चीज़ धुंध से, कोहरे से बाहर निकल रहा है. इट वॉज ए मैन. और जब उन लोगों ने देखा तो क्या देखा कि वह एक आदमी था जो कोहरे से बाहर आया. ही वॉज फ्लंग अप आउट ऑफ द ओशन. और वह आदमी जैसे मानो उसे समुद्र ने बाहर फेंक दिया था, यानी समुद्र के लहर के द्वारा उसके फोर्स से वो बाहर फेंका गया हो. किसी लहर ने उसे फिर खड़ा कर दिया हो. वह कुछ कदम लड़खड़ाता हुआ चला. उसके शरीर की कोहरे में आकृति दिख रही थी. उसकी बाहें सिर से ऊपर थी. फिर लहराते कोहरे ने उसे पुनः छिपा लिया, यानी कि उसको कवर कर लिया. फिर वो नज़र नहीं आ रहा था. ये कौन है? हना शाउट करके, चीख करके पूछी. उसने सदाव का हाथ छोड़ दिया तथा दोनों बरामदे की रेलिंग पर झुक गए. उन्होंने उस आदमी को पुनः देखा, फिर से देखा. वह व्यक्ति हाथों तथा घुटनों के बल रेंग रहा था. फिर उन दोनों ने देखा कि वह व्यक्ति, वह आदमी वहीं मुंह के बल गिर गया तथा पड़ा रहा. शायद कोई मछुआरा है, सदाव बोला, जो अपनी नौका से, अपनी नाव से गिरकर यहाँ आ गया है. वह शीघ्रता से, जल्दी से सीढ़ियों से उतरे तथा हना भी उनके पीछे पीछे भाग चली, यानी वह भी पीछे पीछे आई. So guys, we will see in the next video that who that man was and what did Hana and Sadav did when they went to him, and what did they discuss, what they decided to do with the man. So we will see all these things in my next video, in my next lecture. So that's all for this video. So thank you very much for watching it.